Before conducting the test, ensure that all the kit elements and the specimen to be tested are at room temperature for at least 60 to 120 minutes before you actually test. You can speed up this process if you incubate only the developing plate for 22 minutes at 37 degrees Celsius or 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Use the tweezers to pierce the protective aluminium cover of row A, one well for each specimen. Deposit a sample into a well in row A. Raise and lower the pipette or piston plunger several times to achieve fine and well mixing. Do not open any well of row A or other rows which you do not intend to use. Remove the comb from its protective envelope. For testing less than 12 samples, cut or break the comb by folding in allocated notches for the number of tests required. Insert the comb into the open well in row A, printed side facing you, and incubate for 5 minutes. To improve mixing, gently dip the comb up and down at the start of each incubation. Repeat this motion at least twice in all the remaining rows. Use tweezers to pierce the foil in the next row, which would be row B, and insert comb for 2 minutes. Gently shake off excess liquid from the comb teeth onto a piece of tissue. Insert the comb into the next well, row C, for 5 minutes. Place the comb into the remaining wells, row D and E, for 2 minutes, and the last well, which is row F, for 5 minutes. Upon completion of the color development in row F, move the comb back to row E for the next 2 minutes for color fixation. Take the comb out and let the comb dry for 1 to 10 minutes. Note that these times are specific for the ImmunoComb Canine VacciCheck antibody test kit. If you are using a different ImmunoComb pet test kit, check for the development time specific to that kit.